welcome to a new vlog. If you're new to the channel, I'm Sarah. The other half of Adults in Disney is Jeff. And right now we are at the Sheraton Grande Tokyo Bay Hotel, which is located right here at the Tokyo Disney Resort. So it is like a good neighbor partner hotel. But in this resort review, we will share everything about this hotel, including the walk to the monorail, which is right behind us, the amenities, and of course a room tour. We have personally stayed at this hotel on 3 different trips to Tokyo Disney, and it's a combination between the convenience and the cost as to why we keep coming back here. For the cost, that will vary a lot depending on time of year, but you can find it at times around 30,000 yen per night. And then the location is also ideal, so it's a good neighbor hotel, but it does have a stop right along the monorail. It's a short walk from there. It's gonna be Bayside Station, which is the exact same stop that you would have if you're staying at the Toy Story Hotel or at Fantasy Springs, so it makes it very convenient. To get to the monorail stop, it is just a short walk, so you exit the hotel by the van down there, walk along this path, and you can get right to the monorail station. They also have a bus that will run on a loop, so you can also take that down if you prefer that over walking. The Sheraton has over 1,000 rooms, and our room for this trip is in the park wing section of the hotel. And with the room, when you first walk in, you have the bathroom here on the left-hand side. There is a shower and tub combo, and this is separated by a door for the rest of the bathroom, where you'll have the toilet and the sink. Directly across from the bathroom is a closet, and the closet is actually pretty large, so plenty of space to hang all of your items. Also in here, there is a safe, so if you want to store anything during your trip, that is also available. Across from the closet is a large mirror, and directly next to it will be the coffee, tea, and mini fridge. I'll show you that more here in just a second. And then going into the main bedroom area, we have a 2-bedroom, and these are both going to be double beds. And across from the beds, there is a TV. The room also has a small table, so if you want to sit here and work or eat at any point, that's available. There also are 2 other seats closer here to the window, and I absolutely love the view out here. So that colorful hotel in the distance is the Toy Story Hotel. And then there's a closer look at some of the tea. There's a hot water kettle, the bottles of water, and then below this area is the mini fridge. Lastly, the room does have some amenities that you can use that are primarily provided in the bathroom. When you first enter the hotel, you have the check-in counter located right here, and then directly next to the check-in counter is the ticket counter, which can assist with any questions about Tokyo Disneyland or Tokyo Disney Sea. They do also have a bell desk here, so if you want to leave your luggage on your check-in day or when you check out, that is also available. When it comes to food options at this hotel, you have a large variety. Our favorite place is easily the Grand Cafe. They have an incredible breakfast, so the buffet is absolutely huge. And also, if you do have status with Marriott, there is a chance that this will also be included with your stay as a complimentary breakfast. And with the breakfast, it will have everything from pork buns to noodles to curry, lo mein, rice, as well as your more traditional Western style breakfast, so like eggs and pancakes and toast. There's a whole kids area with cereals, and then of course they also do have a large variety of different juices and coffees that are also included with it. In addition to this buffet style restaurant, there are also 2 sit-down restaurants that are available for dinner. One is going to be a steakhouse, and the other is going to be more of a Japanese style restaurant. And then with this area for breakfast, we do also sometimes stop in Tostina, and here this is more of a coffee style shop. And then lastly, they do also have in the hotel a food court style option for more of a grab and go quick meal if you also prefer that. This hotel has a large variety of amenities available to guests. If you go out of the back of the hotel, you will come to this garden space. So if you want to just go for a walk and look at the different flowers and water features, this is available. Also in this area, there is mini golf, and the mini golf is a smaller course which is available for guests to play. It is, however, an additional cost. The vast majority of the amenities, though, will be found in an area which is referred to as Oasis. And this is going to be a separate building which will have everything from the fitness center to Japanese style baths to a whole kids area. If you are looking to work out, there are sneakers that are free to borrow. So if you didn't pack them or you just want to try these different sneakers, they have them here for guests to use. The fitness center is quite large and has free weights as well as several different machines that you can choose from. The treadmills and ellipticals do also face out over the greenery, so I really enjoy that feature. They do also have pools available. There is an indoor pool, so no matter the time of year, you can go for a swim if you would like. And as I mentioned, they do also have Japanese style baths and a sauna if you want that as well. Here's an overview of just how big this building is. So there's several different floors, and if you go upstairs, a lot of the items upstairs are going to be focused more on kids and little ones. So up here you'll have a variety of arcade style games. Right now we're here before in the early hours, so it's a really early morning, so most of the games are turned off, but here's just a quick overview of the number of different games that the guests can select from if they would like to play. Also up here they do have a flight simulator that you can experience, so if that's something you're interested, that is also available. So there's a wide variety of things to do just here at the hotel if you would like to do that. Going back to the main hotel area, there is also a shopping area. Of course, they have a Disney store. They also do have a variety of other stores located along here, everything from clothes to art. And then the last amenity I want to point out is that they do have a bus stop. So if you want to take the bus to or from Haneda or Narita Airport, you can arrange that and the bus will come right here and pick you up. It's very convenient. We have done this in the past and definitely would recommend it for getting to the airport. I want to share our overall thoughts about this hotel. We would definitely recommend it. So it has a bunch of great amenities. The breakfast buffet is phenomenal, so it's great to have such a variety there. The room is a very large room. The bed was comfy. Everything was very clean. So if you're coming to Tokyo Disney and you want an off-property resort, we would highly recommend it. Thanks for following along with us and can't wait to bring you on our next adventure.